Good morning, dear students. Welcome to science class. I hope you all are safe and fine. Today, we are going to introduce a new word friction by doing an activity. Students, have you think about that when you are cycling and when you stop paddling, what will happen? Yes, the cycle will be stopped after some time. And if you throw a ball, and the ball will also stop down after covering some distance. And suddenly, when you step up on a peel of banana, you slap out. So, what is happening here actually? So, a word come that is frictional force, a force which opposes the motion of an object. Let us perform an activity. We slides a block or push a wooden block from one side on a table. It will slide and stop after some time. And when we apply or push from other side, it will move in the direction and stop after some time. So what is happening actually, a force comes that is called the frictional force, which opposes the motion of an object. When we are applying force in right direction, then the frictional force occur in between the surface of the block and the wooden table in opposite direction and opposes the motion of an object. That force is called frictional force. It always acts opposite to the direction and it depends on the surface of on which it is pushing. Let us perform another activity in which we make an inclined plane by with the help of books or wooden board, and we take a pencil cell and roll down. So we see that it moves a long distance and mark the distance. Now we place a cloth and again roll down the cell. We see that it covers less distance as compared to before. So from here we come to know that the distance covered depend on the surface. In first case the surface is smooth and it rolls long distance, covers long distance, and in the case where we are taking cloth, the surface is rough, and due to the roughness the frictional force increases and it covers less distance. So from by doing these activity we come to know that a force that always occurs opposite to the direction of motion is called the frictional force.